I've received tons of requests, so here it is. In this video, I'm sharing 3 game-changing iPhone setups: dumb phone mode for distraction-free focus, white minimal mode for a sleek and clean look, and no dock setup for a fresh take on your home screen. Plus, I'm giving away all the wallpapers and icons for free. Promise this video is going to be amazing. I've added timestamps for each setup, so feel free to skip to the one you like. Okay, let's get started. First up, dumb phone mode. And the goal is to reduce distractions and make your iPhone boring for you. You don't want to use your iPhone to waste your time much. This is everything you need for this setup. Before setup, install my Canva-made wallpapers and icons from the link in the description. First, go to your lock screen. Long press to add a new home screen page and tap the plus icon. You can choose any picture, but let's use my wallpaper. Pinch to adjust the size. Then tap Add on the top right. Now tap Customize Home Screen, unselect Blur, and tap Photo again. This time, choose my super black wallpaper, not just any black, you see why in a second. Now long press the screen and tap Edit, Customize. Dark mode. Then tap the sun icon, go back to your home screen, ta-da, your dock is gone. Cool, right? Set up focus mode. Now let's organize your home screen. Let's move shortcut app to the last page. We'll use this page for customization. Next, swipe down to open Control Center, tap Focus, then tap the 3 dots and go to Settings. Tap Choose a lock screen and select the one we just created. Now, make sure only the last page is selected, then tap Done. Download the blank Widget app. It offers multiple widgets, but only one is free. The Pro version costs $8 one-time payment. I bought it, but you don't have to, unless desperately you want this widget. For the free version, select the calendar widget, tap Widget background, set it to transparent, tap the plus icon, and select the super black wallpaper. Do the same for dark mode. And adjust the font color if you like. Then create widget. Now back to the home screen. Long press the screen and tap Edit, then go to Add Widget and pick blank widget. Choose the medium-sized widget. It might look empty, but that's totally okay. Now just long press the widget again, tap Edit Widget and set it to calendar 3. Boom, your minimalist calendar widget is ready. Now install custom icons. Open the shortcut app. All right, go to all shortcuts and tap the plus icon. Select open app, then pick an app. So let's go with calendar app. Now tap the share icon and hit add to home screen. For a cleaner look, delete the app name, then tap the photo icon, choose an image, adjust the size, and finally tap add in the top right. Boom, your custom calendar icon is ready. Repeat this for 3 more apps. You can adjust the icon size as you like. Okay, now it's ready. Let's see how it looks. Not bad at all. Definitely a clean and less distracting setup now. Wait a second. I don't like the apps in the dock. I've created smaller colored icons, so let's install those instead. Just long press the app, tap Remove App, then select Remove from home screen. Do the same for the other apps. Now that the dock is empty, let's add the custom icons. There we go, looks so much better. But the search icon is still kind of bothering me, so let's fix that too. Go to Settings, scroll down to Home Screen App Library, then toggle off Show on home screen. Now the search bar is gone. Next, install Smile App Launcher. Once you install the Smile Launcher, open the app. All right, tap Add New Shortcut. Then go to Search Common Apps and select Calendar, plus a few more apps, maybe 5 or 6 more. Next, tap Appearance to tweak the font size and text spacing. I like that there's enough space in small letters. Cool. Now almost there, go back to home screen. Now, long press the home screen, tap Edit, and add a Smile Launcher widget. Go for the largest one. Boom, your custom launcher widget is in place. Now your phone is distraction free. It's boring, but in a good way for sure. Seriously though, I think this setup is incredibly cool and the ultimate productivity boost. Let's take a break and let me introduce my new favorite earbuds. Light Me Open earbuds. If regular earbuds like AirPods always leave your ears sore, you might want to check these out. The Light Me Open earbuds are super lightweight and crazy comfortable. So I usually get ear fatigue with in-ear buds, but not with these. Since they're open ear, you can hear everything around you, which is perfect for running or working out. But if you're looking for noise cancellation, these aren't the ones for you. And call quality, it's important. Honestly, really solid. Voices sound super clear and the connection never drops. I use them all the time. The only downside, the case is kind of bulky, but it's not a deal breaker. If you want comfy earbuds that keep you aware of your surroundings and have great call quality, these are definitely worth considering. And I've got the 10% off discount code in the description. Back to the setup. Next, white minimal mode. This is for those who love a clean aesthetic setup. And you know what? This is my favorite setup. Swipe down and tap focus. Select work mode to switch back to regular mode. Just like in dumb phone mode, start by installing the wallpaper. First, go to your lock screen, long press and tap add new home screen page. Now, tap the plus icon and choose any wallpaper for your lock screen. This time, let's go with a different way. Tap photo shuffle and select photos manually. Tap all and choose these two wallpapers, this and this. Then tap add. Pinch in, tap the three dots. Choose on tap, then tap next, followed by the rectangle icon. Select the other wallpaper, say pinch in, tap add, and finally tap customize home screen to set up the white minimal mode. Tap unblur photo, then choose photo to pick a wallpaper. Select the white wallpaper and pinch out to stretch it slightly. And tap add again. After that, tap done. Now your lock screen looks awesome. Tap the screen or switch it to see it. Cool, right? Now let's check out the home screen. Okay, next, move the Shortcuts app all the way to the last page. Swipe down and tap focus. Tap plus icon to create a new focus mode. Tap custom. Pick your favorite icon. I choose this one. You can name this focus mode. Let's say white, then choose a color. Here, tap choose a lock screen and select the one we just created. Tap done. Just make sure to select only the last page, then tap done. Well, look, now only this page, but your home screen turned into a clean, minimalist setup. Swipe down from here and switch to light mode. This will also change the dock icons to white. This app comes with a simple clean calendar widget. You don't have to pay for the pro version for this setup. First, open MiniCal, tap the settings icon, and head to appearance. Pick the free light theme, save it, and you're good to go. Now long press your home screen, tap edit, and add the MiniCal widget. But let's add one more. Long press the home screen again, tap edit, and this time add the Apple Calendar widget. Let's go with this one. It keeps everything neat and easy to read. Now, your home screen has a sleek, functional calendar setup. This works just like dumb phone mode, so let's set it up. First, open the Shortcuts app. If you're not already on the main page, tap all shortcuts. Now, tap the plus icon, then select Open App. Pick an app. Let's go with Camera app for this example. Delete the app name, and trust me, it looks way cleaner. Now tap the photo icon, choose an image, and adjust the size to fit. Finally, tap Add in the top right corner. And that's it. Your camera icon is now customized. Just repeat these steps for any other apps you want to personalize. Check that out. Now your iPhone looks sleek, premium, and super clean. Just the right mix of minimal and stylish. All right, so this app isn't free. It's a one-time $9 purchase, but if you're into customization, it might be worth it. So here's how to set it up. First, open Widgy and tap Explore. Filter by small widgets and start scrolling. Look for it's a clean, minimalist widget. Tap it and import. Keep scrolling, find the weather widget. and import that one too. Now head back to the main page and tap Manage at the bottom. Tap on the open slots and choose the widgets you just installed. Do the same for this slot and select the other widget you installed. Now both widgets are added. Go back to the home screen, long press, then tap Edit and select Add Widget. Scroll down and choose Widgy. I have several Widgy widgets, but let's pick the ones we created. First, select this one. Then repeat the process and choose the clock widget. Let's switch the position. Now you've got a white clean and minimalist look. This is absolutely my favorite setup. Every time I look at my iPhone, I'm like, wow, this is so beautiful, you know? Finally, the no dock setup, great for a fresh, unique home screen. You can download these wallpapers. I made them all on Canva. Feel free to use them. As I mentioned, I've created tons of wallpapers for you. If you end up using one or two, I really appreciate a like or a comment in return. Thank you. Just pick one of these wallpapers and like I showed you, long press the screen and tap Edit. Then go to Customize, tap Dark Mode and tap the sun icon. See? The dock disappears. Now you got 3 awesome home screen setups. And you can switch between them easily anytime. If you want to see how this setup works in action, check out this iPhone shortcut next. Do you want to know how to do this setup in the next video? Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.